Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs, and I believe in asking questions. So, very important. A lot of there was an old friend I used to have, and the one thing that he said that I'll probably never forget, that I thought was the most some people might still have this belief, so it's okay. He's like, I'm a man because I don't ask questions. No, he said, I am a man. I've never asked for directions. I was like, that's the stupidest. Well, that's something that I didn't really agree with. The reason why is because I'm like, if I don't know where I'm going to ask everybody who has been there. I'm going to be looking for answers. Anybody can possibly lead me a little bit further in the right direction. I'm going to ask because one, it creates a new relationship, so I can ask for that person's help in the future. Two, it makes the person feel special because I've entrusted, my journey to their hands. Three, I'm going to get there faster than you are because you're going to be going a lot of the wrong directions. So I just ask for directions. I ask for questions. I ask for anything that I need. I'm going to ask Google, right? So Google, I probably ask Google probably a million questions, right? Because I need to know the answers. I need to get there faster. So as someone who's asked a million questions, I've gotten a million answers. So if you want to be able to actually grow your business faster, I recommend that you go check out my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Inside we're talking about everything that you need to start moving forward and actually reach your goals. If that's what you're searching for, go check out that link in the description either above or below, depending on where you're seeing the video. Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.